Today we get some eggs, right? And when you buy it regular, you get the extra. See? So today what we are discuss is how to put eggs in fridge. So let me just go right ahead, open up the fridge. And as you see, all fridge come with this little section where them say eggs supposed to go here. But I did some research and it's saying that when you put the eggs here, it's more vulnerable to bacteria because the door is where most of the heat is, because you open the fridge so regular, the heat come in and catch the eggs. So they're saying that we shouldn't put the eggs right there, but you know, typical Jamaican, it don't really matter, we just put eggs them there the same. But the eggs have 2 points. It has a base and it has a point. So they're saying that you're supposed to put the egg with the point down because there's a little air sac at the base of the egg. So when you put it down like this, it has to work its way up back to this point, and then it disrupts the yolk. So you put it down like this in the fridge, then just fill it up. And remember, you have to use first in, first out. So these 4 was there. So when we finish, we're gonna put those on top so them can get eaten first. Yeah man, so we just have to put them in here really quick. Hopefully when I broke none, if I broke none, I have to go end up by them back and my wife have a cuss. And so when I broke the egg. But sometimes you know you're a little bit clumsy and one end up drop, but hopefully none not drop today. So I'm skin me, I put them in a two bag. So when you pull up the door now, you know when you do the rest, you just eat them. So anyway, that's how we put in the egg, as I say. You have a flat base, you have a point, you put the point down, and when you finish, you just enjoy the egg. So have a nice day. Bye bye. Eggs in fridge.